Welcome to a closer look at the Furinno Luder 4-tier bookcase in white, designed with a modern minimalist style. This compact bookshelf features a slim 9.3-inch depth and fits perfectly in tight corners, ideal for living rooms, bedrooms, or home offices. It offers 4 open shelves to organize books, decor, baskets, and more, with each shelf measuring approximately 9.9 inches in height and 14.7 inches in width. The top surface is perfect for displaying plants or clocks, helping to keep your space tidy and stylish. Each shelf can hold up to 10 pounds, with the top supporting 20 pounds, providing a total capacity of 60 pounds when weight is evenly distributed. Made from durable composite wood with rigid side frames and easy-to-clean surfaces, it includes a wall anchor for added stability and safety. Crafted with FSC-certified wood, this bookshelf combines sustainable materials with refined craftsmanship for long-lasting use. Thank you for watching, and if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.